In today's video, I'll teach you how to access YouTube audio library. So if you want to access the YouTube audio library, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now type in studio.youtube.com and search for it. Now you'll be led to the YouTube studio. Tap on this option, continue to studio. Now the YouTube Studio will be opened. In order to access the audio library, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option audio library that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the audio library over here. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you access YouTube audio library. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.